In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and merciful. Respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Every morning, we get a chance to be different, a chance to change, a chance to be better. Our past is our past. We should leave it there and have faith for a better tomorrow. With these motivational lines, a brightest mornings, I, Aima Ali, with my classmates, welcome to all in today morning assembly. Let us talk to Allah Almighty, creator of the earth, world and universe. Let's start our assembly program with recitation of Holy Quran. So our students should fold their hands on their chest and close their eyes. खुदा का जिक्र करे जिक्र मुस्तफ़ा न करे, हमारे मुंह में हो ऐसी ज़ुबान खुदा न करे. After recitation of holy verses, I would call Muhammad Awais from class 8 for Naate Rasool Maqbool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you, Awais. Being a citizen of Pakistan means to protect, defend and the loyal the pledge of allegiance for freedom that our country has fought for. Let us recite the pledge with dignity and pride for our country. For pledge, I would like to invite Muhammad Faizan from class 8th. Thank you, Faizan. It's helpful for everybody to have a good and motivated morning. It's because how we start our day tends to set the tone for the rest of the day. So to brighten our morning, I would like to invite Fiza Bibi from class 8 for today's Thoughts of the day. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Thank you, Fiza, for these motivational lines. Making a habit of learning new words and putting them into practice always go a long way to increase our brain capacity and to expand our mind to the world around us. Let us enhance our vocabulary. And next I would call Yumna Ali from class 8 for word of the day. Good morning everyone present here. My name is Yumna Ali. Word of the day, operos, which means involving great labor, laborious, industrious, diligent. Thank you, Yumna, for enhancing our vocabulary. We must stay up to date and informed about economical news, political news, current affairs and happening across Pakistan. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time in the morning. Let us listen to today's news headlines. For this, I would like to call Kinza Bibi from class 8th. Thank you, Kinza, for updating us. General knowledge opens different avenues for one seeking. It develops one's social, sensitive reasoning and analytical thinking skills. It is time to enhance our knowledge. For this, I would like to invite Aisha Khalid from class 8th. Thank you, Aisha. Poetry gives rhythm to silence, light to darkness. It makes us think and gives us great tool for developing ourselves. Let us enjoy Allama Iqbal's famous poem Lab Pe Aati. I would invite Anaya Tare for class 8 to recite this poem. So please raise your hands for prayer. Thank you, Anaya. Now it's time for message of the day. For message of the day, I would invite Uswa Jannat from class 8 to say something before you. Now it is time for national anthem. So be attentive and raise your voice with me for national anthem. Thank you everyone for cooperating with me.